I want you to do this with Bintu Sudan oil, Bintu Sudan soap, local sponge, and 1 native egg. The other item is ash. If you want to break out from every foundational cause, self-inflicted cause, inherited cause that is from your paternal side, your maternal side, that is causing chaos and catastrophe, that is causing delay, rising and falling, misfortune, hindrances, blockages, disappointment, Brother Chima urge you to watch this video to the end. Like this video, share this video, and also follow my page. My name is Brother Chima, and I am a spiritualist. And on this channel, I share spiritual messages. Message that draws you closer to God. Message that help you to solve your spiritual problems. Message that help you to defeat your enemies. Using the power of God Almighty, the power of the universe, and the power of my ancestors, also using natural ingredients, natural resources, natural root and herb that God has created, harnessing their spiritual energy, frequencies, and vibration, and manifesting our spiritual tips on here. If today is your first time of joining us, you are highly welcome. Whatsoever that is your problem that made you to come in contact of my face, my God will solve that problem to you. How to break through from every cause that is following you, every cause that you inherited from your foundation, every self-inflicted cause. I want to release this ancient secret for you. What are you going to do to break out from that cause? Brother Chima urge you to go and get me ash, wood ash. That is number 1 item you are going to get me. Then get me Bintu Sudan oil. Where you are buying the Bintu Sudan oil, also buy the Bintu Sudan soap. Then get me native sponge. Another item you'll be getting me is native egg. For those of you who are in diaspora, if you cannot find native egg, you get organic egg. Then get me a white container like this. What are you going to do? This particular assignment, a lot of testimony has been coming out of it on my YouTube channel. So I decided to bring it on here on TikTok so that you people will benefit from Brother Chima. Like this video, share it, and also follow my page. You are going to get a native egg. This assignment, you will do it by 11 p.m. You call your name 4 times. Call your family name 4 times. Wave the egg on your head 4 good times. Then break it inside this plate. Okay? Add your ash to it. Wood ash, add it to it. Then open this Bintu Sudan. Pour all the oil of Bintu Sudan inside the native egg and the wood ash. Then you begin to mix it. As you are mixing it, you are saying your intention. Begin to say your intention concerning every self-inflicted cause. Every cause that is from your paternal side, your maternal side. Every cause that you inherited from your foundation. Say against them that you are doing this to remove cause. Then when you are done praying, manifesting, use the mixture. Rub your hairs from your head to your toes. If you are a woman here and you have done your head, you have to lose that head and use this recipe on that head. From your head to your toes. Allow it to dry on your body. Starting from 11 o'clock. When it is 12 a.m., then fetch a bucket of water. Add a pinch of salt to it. Bring your native soap and your Bintu Sudan soap. You go to your bedroom. You must be naked and barefooted. Begin to use this to wash off the mixture that you have put in on your body. As you are using it to bathe, you are praying. You are removing cause, stagnation, rising and falling, hindrances, misfortune, disappointment, hatred, anything that is making you not to see the light of God, anything that is making you not to progress. You are using this soap and this sponge to wash it out. Use this soap and this sponge. Bathe out that cause. When you are done bathing, don't dry your body. Go to bed like that. Keep this sponge and this soap. You are going to use it completely 4 days. After 4 days, go and trash it out. Every cause following you, starting from the night you practice this, you will see a different thing. You will come back here to testify. I have come to the end of this video at this junction. For those of you who just joined us for the very first time, on this channel we have our spiritual materials that are locally made and spiritually charged by my own hands. A lot of people has been buying it all over the world. It has been from one testimony to the other. Our spiritual material helps you to fasten up your deliverance. We have the curse breaking soap. We have the road opening soap. We have the back to sender soap. We have the hand me not soap. We have the anti-witchcraft soap. We have the crowd pulling soap. We have the stop evil soap. We have the love and attraction soap. We have the mercy and favor soap. The last but not the least, we have the equal populus datus, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover. Are you having moving sensation in your body? Are you having itches, rashes, and burning in your body? Have you been to the hospital? The doctors diagnose it. You don't have infection, you don't have HIV, but you are dying slowly. Sometimes it's as if you are pregnant. You hear a strange noise coming out from your stomach. This is bewitchment. This is witchcraft manipulation. And Brother Chima has the antidote to your problem. It is called Equobo Spiritual Detox, the anti-witchcraft moving object remover. This product is tested and trusted, and is shipped all part of the whole world: Europe, Asia, America, South America, Canada, Australia, Germany, Holland, UK, Belgium, Turkey, all over Africa, all over Nigeria, with DHL, EMS, UPS, and FedEx. If you place an order within the interval of 5 to 6 days, your order will get to your doorstep. We also help people to solve their spiritual problem on this channel. We do reading and consultation on this channel, but remember, there is nothing free, even in free time. My number is +234 7088 136610. +234 7088 136610. That is my number. Feel free to communicate with me on WhatsApp, as I am open to communication. God bless you for watching. Please share this video, like this video, and follow my page. See you in my next video. Bye for now.